the Independent Challenge 2 that is found on integration page 30. And I already have the INT 2-9 document open. The first thing we want to do is copy the table. So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to highlight the table. When I click on it, I get this little table selector right here. And then I'm just simply going to copy it. And now I'm going to create a new Access database. I click on blank, and under the file name, I'm going to call that INT2-Health First Apps Price List. And then I'm going to click on Create. Now it opens to a brand new table. Alright, and now I'm ready to paste the records. So I'm just going to simply right click and paste as fields. And it says, are you sure you want to paste those 10 records? Yes, I do. Now, the one thing the book doesn't tell you is that by default, the ID field is automatically added. So there's a couple of different ways that we can remove this particular column. I can highlight it and click on Delete, or I can go to Design View, and I'm just going to name this table Price List. And right here is the ID field, and I can right click and delete it here. However you delete it will be your discretion how you want to do it. So now when I go back to my data sheet view, and I'm going to expand the columns here so I can see them all, you can see the product with the category and then the price. Now per the directions, you need to add 2 more records to this table. So I'm going to click down here. This little star right here represents a new record. So I'm going to click in there and I'm going to type in Happy Yoga. This is fitness and the price is $3. And now I'm going to add the second record. Alright, so now the 2 records have been added, and now I'm going to save it and then close out that table. With the table closed, I'm now going to copy this table, and I'm going to open Excel. And I'm going to go to my Excel table, click on Paste, and I want to paste the link. And now I'm just going to adjust the columns. You can roll your mouse between the columns. You can see how I get that double-headed arrow, and I'm just going to adjust them. Now I'm going to add a new column, and I'm going to call it Sales. Now I'm going to add 200 as the number of sales for the first 4 products. So I'm just going to add 200, and then I'm going to add 300 for the remaining sales. And now I'm going to add a new column called Revenue. And the revenue, what we're going to do is calculate the total revenue for each product, and then we're going to save the workbook. Now the revenue would be nothing more than the price times the sales. So when you start a formula manually, you're going to type in an equal sign. Now I'm just going to click on the price times the sales, and I'm going to hit my check mark to enter. And then just use my fill handle to pull down. And then I'm going to format the price, and I'm going to hold down my control key to get the revenue. And I'm going to format the price and revenue values with the accounting number format. So right up here where it says General, I'm going to drop down and select Accounting. Okay, and I'm just verifying. It says the Job Talk is $800 and the Fitness Buddy is $16.50. So just to verify that is correct. Now I'm going to go back to my Access table. Let me save this file. Now I'm going to go back to my Access database. I'm going to open up the table, and then I'm going to change the price of Job Talk app. I'm going to change it from $4 to $5, and then the price of the Fitness Buddy is going to be $4. So that one's actually going to be reduced while the other one's going to be increased. All right, I'm just going to save it, close out that table. I'm going to go back to Excel and verify that the price has changed. So you see this is now $5 and the Fitness Buddy is now $4. You can see this value has changed and this one has changed. Finish out, it says bold and center the labels in row 1. So I'm going to bold and center the labels in row 1. And then I'm going to insert a new row 1. So I'm going to right click, insert, and I'm going to call this Health First App Sales. And I'm going to center it across A1 through F1. A1 through F1. So I'm going to merge and center. Increase the font size to 16, apply a bold formatting, and then apply a fill color of your choice. So right here's the paint bucket. So you can apply any color that you would like. Type your name in A16, then save all of your files and submit all 3, the Word document, the Access database, and then your Excel workbook. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.